Hey TikTok, we went hiking today at Vickery Creek Trail, 28 minutes right outside of Atlanta. This hidden gem is perfect. Whether you like to go outdoors, need a breath of fresh air, want to get a good workout in, or just go for the vibes. Me and my son went today after we worked out. This is a map to give you the ins and outs of the trail. My 8-year-old was so tired, so out of breath, yet so young and youthful. The weather is getting nice, so if you haven't already, put your comfy gear on and head hiking. It's so therapeutic and quiet out there. Just you and nature. Get your hiking gear on, put your phones away, get some snacks, and enjoy this hidden gem this summer.